Did you know that a bizarre deep-sea monster lurks in the pitch-black abyss, violently luring its prey by waving a glowing fishing rod attached to its head? Thriving under extreme crushing pressure over 6,000 feet below the surface, the humpback anglerfish showcases the most awe-inspiring survival tactics in the ocean. From the tip of the long antenna stretching above its head radiates a haunting blue glow. This fatal light is brilliantly produced through a vital symbiotic relationship with bioluminescent bacteria. To conserve precious energy in this nutrient-starved wasteland, they never waste movement. They hover completely motionless like stones in the dark, patiently waiting for mesmerized prey. The instant a hypnotized victim enters striking range, it explosively opens its massive jaws, creating a violent vacuum that completely sucks in the prey along with the surrounding water. Its sharp, backward-curving teeth ensure nothing escapes, and thanks to an incredibly elastic stomach that expands like a balloon, it can easily swallow prey twice its own size whole. Finding a mate in this vast, endless darkness is nearly impossible. Therefore, the incredibly tiny males are born with a single purpose, swimming desperately to scent out a female. Upon miraculously finding a massive female, the tiny male bites into her belly and never lets go. Astonishingly, his lips and her skin literally melt and fuse together permanently. Perfecting extreme survival strategies with a glowing lure and bizarre physical fusion in the harshest darkness, the anglerfish stands as the ultimate mystery of deep-sea evolution.